It's our one and only full day in Rome because tomorrow we're going to Florence. And today,
we're doing cooking class. Gonna make some pasta.
And tiramisu.
Ooh, let's go.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
Even though you're a chef?
Yes. Back in the kitchen. I'm not gonna say that I'm good. I'm just gonna be neutral.
Maybe they're gonna offer you a job. Do you think I'm gonna learn anything?
Hopefully.
I hope so
I'm
too.
hoping.
Try to navigate these Roman streets to our cooking class.
This is a great cooking class. It was so good.
So fun.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that's how you made spaghetti. Like, I had no idea that you used that little machine thing. That little harp.
String. No, it was super cool. I'm no expert in eating pasta, and I learned something.
Yeah? You were way better at it than me. Also. He just took over immediately.
Kinda, yeah. Sorry. I'm a little helper. Yeah.
You're just being nice. Okay, you can mix it now. We can put the links down below also for the tour that we did, because I would highly recommend it. If we took anything away from this class, it's that mozzarella from Naples is superior.
Yeah.
Fresh pesto, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Holy cow, that was the best pesto I ever had in my entire life. And pasta. So good.
Yeah, that was super good.
A cooking class in Italy is
100%,
what you need to do. Definitely. We're gonna go find some coffee because we ate so much food.
Also yesterday.
So let's find some coffee.
Let's find some coffee and take a nap.
Take a nap, see some ruins.
Yeah.
I mean, there's ruins everywhere, literally.
Okay. I don't know what this is, but this was just in the Airbnb. And it is so good. We gotta buy a pack of this before we go home. It's like creamy, lemony, hard candy or something. Pretty good. Yeah.
What is it?
Creamy, lemony things. They're super good.
Oh, wait, is it a hard candy?
Yeah.
It's like a cough drop. Oh my!
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah, unexpected. These streets are really tiny. We went back to our Airbnb, we made coffee, and then we accidentally took a nap and we didn't go anywhere else for the entire afternoon, which to us is okay.
That's fine.
Because we were super tired from all the traveling yesterday and the jet lag and waking up early and everything. And also it was so hot out this afternoon, which we were not prepared for coming from Iceland. And it was so crowded.
Something's going on, they're like restricted the streets, so it's very extra crowded. Tomorrow morning, we wanted to go to the Colosseum. I wouldn't say we're good tourists because obviously it's sold out the day before and for the next 5 days, so can't do that.
We didn't check it. I knew we should have, but I was like, we fine.
It's not.
We're not fine. So we're not going to be able to go to the Colosseum. Oh my God, it's right in front of us though. You can literally see it right now. So now we're just going to go get some dinner. Even though we're really not that hungry. We had like so many portions of pasta in that cooking class.
We're now going to the same place that we went to yesterday and have a sandwich. We're going to like some viral place that is on TikTok, like a viral Italian sandwich place, but I don't know, it's pretty far away. The Italians that we met yesterday, they said we're kind of franchised now. So we just checked out the reviews and this one has better reviews. So we're just gonna go with that.
And it's right around the block.
Car.
Oh my God, car. See, look.
Okay, which one do you want?
Number 12 looks really good.
This sandwich was 12 euro with one of these lemonades. Back in Iceland, this would be like probably like 22 euros. Like a sandwich with a soda, at least 22 euros. This is like half that, and you're getting it straight from the cow.
Amazing delivery.
See that? It's so good.
This is our own viral panini place. What did we get?
Provolone, arugula, prosciutto, and sun-dried tomatoes.
Also known as number 12 on the menu. Is there caramelized onions on this? What is this place called? We're calling it an early evening.
Can't wait to go to sleep. I'm so tired.
We're going to feel a lot better tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're taking a train to Florence, where we are visiting our friend. She doesn't live there, but she's having a birthday party and rented a villa, and that is why we're in Italy. That is our entire purpose. And we'll also tell you about the rest of our travels tomorrow as well, for the next 3 months. Everything that we've got planned.
And that sandwich really hit. It was really good.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.